The discs between the bones in your back are the shock absorbers and the suspension system of your body. When we twist and bend, sometimes, just like we roll an ankle, we can roll a disc in the back and neck. This is called a herniation. When a disc gets damaged, the tissue and fluid from inside the disc starts to break through the walls of the disc and escape out into the tissues and nerves around it. This is not good at all because this irritates and presses on the nerves and tissues around it, giving pain and stopping the disc from functioning as it should. PRP can help this. Exactly like when the body gets a simple cut to the skin, your body naturally sends blood to the area that contains PRP, which draws both sides of the wound together like a magnet. The PRP we use is engineered to be much stronger than what your body circulates itself, and that is why when we inject it into and around the injured disc, this seems to pull the walls together, plugging the hole and allowing the disc to heal and start to function again. But what happens if this disc doesn't heal and keeps getting injured over time? Over time, the fluid and tissue from the disc will escape and lead to the disc losing water and other nutrients and height, which will mean that it will lose its primary function of shock absorption. It's like when you get a flat tire on your car and you still drive around on it. What does that do to the rest of your car? This will put more pressure on the joints around, namely the facet joints, which will lead to more arthritis in those joints and a smaller passage for the nerves to come out from the spine and go down into the leg and arm. This is where we can inject stem cells. We inject new stem cells into the disc to help build new tissue within the disc. And we blend it with PRP so it can pull together the walls, plug any holes, and gradually over time regenerate, allowing for it to do its job again and allow the nerves that pass by to function normally again.